Okay, I wanted to give a couple of examples for the elimination method. So let's just take a look at a couple of them here. Um, Maybe I have something like 7x plus 2y equals 24. And the other one would be, let's do 14x plus 4y equals 48. Okay, so what I notice if I want to get rid of one, so if I'm using the elimination method, if I want to get rid of one, I have to make them match. So I am going to multiply this top one by, I'm going to do -2. And the reason I'm going to choose -2 is so that they're opposites of each other. So when I multiply by -2, I would have -14x plus negative or minus 4y equals -48. And the other one I just bring straight over like it is. So I have 14x plus 4y equals a positive 48. Okay, so now I'm ready to combine. So negative 14x and a positive 14x, those disappear and become 0. Negative 4y, positive 4y, those disappear and become 0. So really on this side we have 0 equals, and negative 48 plus 48 is 0 as well. Oh, that one's kind of weird because everything eliminates and we have a true statement. So if it's a true statement, then we know it's infinitely, okay, infinite, whoops, not spelling correctly, infinitely many solutions, okay? And that's what we would write for our solution. Okay, let's take a look at a different one. So let's take a look here. Let's look at 3x minus 5y. Doing very well there. Equals 23. And let's do 5x plus 2y equals 59. So I can choose which one I want to eliminate. Either way, I have to change both of them. I think I'm going to eliminate the y's, and the reason I'm going to eliminate the y is because of this negative here and the positive here. So to make those match, 10 would be that magic number. So I'd have to multiply this one by 2, and I'd have to multiply this one by 5. So when I do that, I have 6x minus 10y equals 46. And for the other one, I would have 25x plus 10y equals 250 plus, so 290. Okay. Well, now I'm ready to, I'm going to add because I have one positive and one negative for the 10. So if I do that, those are going to disappear. And I have 31x equals, and this is going to be 336. Is that right? Yeah, 336. So when I divide by 31, okay, wait a minute. So 295 is what that should equal instead of 290, so that when I add that to the 46 that is there, um, so 46 plus the 295, we end up with 341. And then when we divide by 31, x is going to equal 11. Okay, so I had some math errors there. Now to figure out what y is, if I know x is 11, I've got to plug it in someplace. It doesn't matter which equation. I have actually 1, 2, 3, or 4 different possibilities. I'm going to go with this bottom one here, or actually, yeah, probably the bottom one right here. I would take 5 times 11 plus 2y equals 59. Or 55 plus 2y equals 59. So I can subtract 55 from both sides, so 2y is going to give me 4, which means that y equals 2. So my solution for this one would be 11, 2. Okay, so that would be my solution. All right, that's the elimination method. Okay. Remember, you can also double check yourself with Desmos to see if you're doing it right. Okay.